Thursday morning. And now, here live with us to accept your grateful applause, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Dean Gunnarson. Congratulations. Wonderful. Dean, tell us what your feelings were like up there as your life hung in the balance above that building.
Well, it was a very painful experience, but I had a good view of L.A.
And it wasn't smoggy. Anyway, Dean, in the tradition of Houdini, we'd like to ask one more thing of you before you leave us tonight. Now, we told Dean that there might be a little surprise for him, and there is. Ladies and gentlemen, another participant in our seance tonight. Dean, are you ready to accept the Halloween challenge? Mr. Radner, please, would you come out? Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Radner, another participant in our seance tonight, Mr. Sidney Radner. Thank you. Sidney. Dean. Thank you. Dean, as you know, Houdini accepted all other comers to test him with cuffs from which he could not escape. Well, thanks to Sid Radner, we have these two sets of cuffs that were actually used by Houdini under similar circumstances in performing over 80 years ago with the help of these other two gentlemen. Over here, Police Chief Bill Reese and
Assistant Todd Gunnarson.
Assistant to Todd Gunnarson. What do we have here?
We've got a postal bag here with a lock on it and some securely situated.
All right, Dean, you're going to get in that bag, and you're going to put the cuffs on. Is that correct?
These are two pairs of handcuffs taken from my collection. They have not been seen by Dean at all until right now.
Put them on, Dean.
Nobody's been in them since Houdini got out of them about 80 years
Nobody has been in them since Houdini.
We start searching first?
Where are you a police chief at?
South Pasadena.
South Pasadena.
Mr. Gunnarson, would you please take off your boots, please? My boots? Take off your boots, yes. I'd like to check the bottom of your feet.
This is a real policeman, folks.
Okay, very good. See the other one? Good. I'm satisfied.
You're satisfied. Are you satisfied?
Well, in the spirit of Houdini, we are trying this, but one important thing I'd like to mention, that nobody has escaped from these handcuffs since Harry Houdini. They are, in fact, real handcuffs. So if by chance, if I do not make this particular escape, I hope you respect me for giving it a shot. I am going to try. I don't know.
We will respect you. Good luck. Into the post bag. Into the post bag. This bag is from?
Canada.
Of course. You have checked the bag?
I checked the bag thoroughly. It has no gimmicks in it. By the way, no one has escaped from me in 26 years either.
South Pasadena. What's he doing, Chief?
He's locking it. He's beginning to wind the chain around to form a
chain.
A secure lock here.
Mr. Radner, do you verify everything that's happened?
Absolutely accurate. He is in, and he isn't going to get out too easily.
Assistant, do you verify everything?
Yes, I do.
And he's the assistant. How are you doing in there, Dean?
Well, I haven't started yet.
He hasn't started yet. It's a live show, Dean. You better start. He's putting the lock on.
Right, it looks like he's going to fasten it securely, but I'm going to check it just the same. It's on secure.
It's on securely.
I have the keys in my pocket.
The keys are in his pocket. Go ahead, Dean. You're on. Strange things are happening in the bag. Maybe it's dead mail. I don't... Assistant, are you all right? Are you perplexed?
Yes, I am.
Chief, what's happening?
I don't know. He seems to be rolling around on the floor.
He seems to be... I'm sure he was a detective. Sid, what's happening?
I think he's getting out of the handcuffs.
You think he's getting out of the handcuffs? This is a strange shape coming towards me. I've seen things like this on Star Trek. Come on, Dean! Let's hear it for Dean.
No. Gonna make it.
I see a hand. That is a hand, is it not,
That's
Chief?
a hand that's out. He's out of the handcuffs.
Chief, what do you make?
I don't know. He seems to be doing pretty well. I'm hoping that he'll get out very shortly.
So am I, Dean.
There he is. Yes.
Dean Gunnarson! Yes, Dean! You're all right. Pouring with the ladies and gentlemen, a hand for Dean Gunnarson. These are the handcuffs. Incredible.